Updating your billing profile on Infor CloudSuite is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log in. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Billing Profile. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Billing section in the main menu. Click on this option to access your billing profile. Step 3. Edit billing information. In the Billing Profile section, find the option to edit or update your billing information. Click on this option to make changes to your address, payment method, or other relevant details. Step 4. Review changes. After making your updates, carefully review all changes to ensure accuracy. Double-check the information entered to avoid any errors that could affect billing. Step 5. Save changes. Once you are satisfied with the updates, click the Save or Update button to apply the changes to your billing profile. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your profile has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing profile up to date on Infor CloudSuite. Regularly checking your information ensures smooth transactions and communication.